What if I told you something the size of a bus is silently watching from the darkest parts of the ocean? Something ancient, something almost never seen, and when it does appear, it's already too late. This is the terrifying truth about the giant squid. Far below the surface, deeper than sunlight can reach, lives a creature that feels like it came straight out of a nightmare. The giant squid is enormous. It can grow up to 13 meters long, sometimes even more. Its body is long and pale, almost ghost-like. But what truly makes it terrifying are its arms. 8 thick arms, and 2 even longer feeding tentacles, covered with powerful suction cups lined with tiny razor-like teeth. And then its eyes, the largest eyes in the animal kingdom, each one as big as a dinner plate. They don't just see, they search through endless darkness. The giant squid lives in the deep ocean, in a place called the Midnight Zone, a world of complete darkness, crushing pressure, freezing cold. No light, no sound, just silence and shadows. It drifts slowly, almost like a ghost, waiting. But don't let its slow movement fool you. The giant squid is a hunter. Those long tentacles can shoot out in an instant, grabbing prey before it even knows what's happening. Fish, other squid, anything unlucky enough to get too close. And its beak, yes, a beak like a giant parrot's mouth, can crush flesh and bone with ease. But here's where things get even darker. The giant squid isn't the top predator down there. Something hunts it. Sperm whales. And when these two giants clash, it becomes a violent battle in total darkness. Scientists have found scars, massive circular marks on whales, proof of desperate fights far below where humans can go. But the most chilling part? For centuries, people thought the giant squid was just a myth. Sailors told stories of sea monsters dragging ships into the depths. No one believed them until 2004. That's when scientists finally captured the first real images of a live giant squid in its natural habitat. Not in a lab, not washed ashore. Alive, watching, moving in the deep. And even today, we still know little about it. Think about that. A creature this massive, still hiding from us in our own ocean. Now, imagine this. You're alone on a quiet boat at night. The ocean is calm, too calm. Then suddenly, something pulls. Not a wave, not the wind. Your boat shifts. You look down into the water, but there's nothing, just darkness. Then 2 massive shapes rise slowly beneath you, long, pale, moving, and for a brief second you see it, a giant eye staring back before everything goes still again. The ocean covers more than 70% of our planet, and yet we've explored less than 10% of it, which means creatures like the giant squid are not alone. So the next time you look out at the sea, remember this: something could be looking back, waiting in the dark. If this gave you chills, hit that subscribe button and join us for more deep-sea mysteries and terrifying truths. Because down there, the deeper you go, the less human you feel. And some things were never meant to be found.